Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will present one of the kingdom of Animalia species, which is Platypus. Our group consists of 3 members, including me, Saidatun Natra, Nurul Shafika, and Nurul Noha.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurunuha. Today I will presenting about a fascinating and unique animal, which is the platypus. Taxonomically, the platypus is classified under the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Monotremata, family Ornithohynchidae, and its scientific name is Ornithohynchus anatinus. Interestingly, it's the only living species in the entire genus and family, making it one of the most unusual mammals on Earth. The platypus is a semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal, also known as monotreme. It has distinct appearance with a dark light bill, webbed feet, dense waterproof fur, and flat tail. Males even have venomous spurs on their hind leg, and rare among mammals. Next, I will explain about the habitat. Location-wise, the platypus is found only in eastern Australia, including the island of Tasmania. It is endemic to this region, meaning it's not naturally found anywhere else in the world. Its natural habitat includes freshwater, rivers, streams, and lakes, especially those with cool and clean water. Platypus prefer slow-moving or still water with muddy riverbank, where they dig burrows for resting and nesting. The platypus is crepuscular, meaning it is most active during dawn and dusk. It spends much of its time swimming underwater in search of food such as insect larvae, worms, and small crustaceans. On land, it raises an inside burrow dug into riverbank. One of its most remarkable abilities is electroception, which allows it to detect tiny electric signals given off by its prey. However, this amazing animal is now facing serious threats. Habitat destruction, polluted waterways, and the effect of climate change, such as drought and reduced river flow, have all contributed to its declining population. Conservation efforts urgently needed to protect their habitat and ensure the survival of this unique species. In conclusion, the platypus is not just an icon of Australian wildlife. It's also a living example of evolutionary unique and adaptation. Preserving its environment is vital for keeping this rare and fascinating mammal from disappearing.
Next, for the characteristics of a platypus. The platypus has a dark light bill, which is soft and sensitive. It contains electroreceptors that help it detect electrical signals from prey underwater. Its front feet are fully webbed for swimming, while the back feet are partially webbed to help with steering. The body is covered in dense waterproof brown fur to keep it warm in cold water. The tail is flat and wide, used for storing fat and helping with balance and movement. When underwater, the eyes and ears close automatically to keep out water from entering them. Now let's talk about some of the unique traits that make a platypus even more interesting. First, did you know that male platypus are venomous? They have sharp spurs on their hind legs that deliver venom, especially during the mating season to fight off rivals. Next is their incredible ability called electroreception. While swimming underwater with their eyes, ears, and nose closed, they can still hunt by detecting tiny electrical signals produced by the movement of their prey. This helps them locate insects, worms, and small crustaceans even in murky water. Another strange fact, the platypus has no stomach. That's right, food travels directly from their esophagus to the intestine, which is extremely rare for mammals. Finally, when it comes to feeding their young, female platypus don't have nipples. Instead, milk seeps through pores in their skin, and the babies lap it up from special grooves on the mother's abdomen.
Now I am going to explain the life cycle of platypus. First, the female will lay 1 to 3 eggs, usually 2, in a burrow that is hidden deep into the side of a riverbank. This burrow keeps the egg warm and safe. Then, after about 10 days, the young hatch from the eggs. The babies, called puggles, are very small and helpless when they are born. Next, the young platypus drinks milk from glands under the skin of its mother's belly due to the mother doesn't have nipples, and this continues for about 3 to 4 months. They live in the burrow for about 6 months. Lastly, when the platypus leaves the nest, it is an adult. The adult platypus finds a mate and reproduces in late winter or spring, and the cycle starts again.
Lastly, I'm going to talk about the importance of platypus. For the ecological importance, the platypus is an indicator species. Its health shows the condition of freshwater ecosystems like rivers and streams. As a predator, it controls the population of aquatic insects, larvae, and small crustaceans. By controlling its prey, it helps maintain balance in the food web and supports biodiversity. Next, the scientific importance of platypus. The platypus gives insight into evolution. As one of the few monotrons, it helps scientists understand how mammals evolve. Its unique DNA provides valuable information for genetic, immune systems, and reproductive research. Lastly, the venom produced by males may be useful for developing new medicines, such as painkillers.